Discussion, Unit 1 Final Discussion and Assessment Prompt. Take a look at the attached PDF. This writing assignment will be your Unit 1 final assessment, which you'll see on the next page. For this discussion board, you'll write your introductory or thesis paragraph and then give your classmates feedback on their paragraphs. Read through the prompt, take a look at the available documents, and feel free to look back at your assignments for this unit to help you plan your writing. You will use the PEA method checklist again for this writing. Prompt. Power is defined as the ability to control others, while authority is designed as the right to control others. What are the negative and positive effects of power and authority when applied to the American system of government? Due dates. Please have your posts done by Wednesday, September 26th at midnight. This will give your classmates time to give you feedback on your paragraph before you do your final draft of the writing assessment that is due on Monday night. Please have your 2 feedback replies posted by Friday, September 28th at noon. To sum up, here is your assignment. Post a paragraph that answers the prompt above by midnight on Wednesday. This will be the first draft of your intro paragraph for your Unit 1 final. Next, give constructive feedback to 2 of your classmates' paragraphs. Have the feedback posted by Friday, noon. Let me know if you have any questions, and remember to use the PEA method for your writing. Unit 1 U.S. Government Text-Based PDF. Unit 1 U.S. Government Text-Based Assessment Google Doc. PEA Method Checklist Google Doc.